Infrared grills have become quite popular in recent years thanks to their innovative method of producing heat. Unlike traditional gas grills which heat food through convection, hot air, infrared grills cook food through radiant heat. There are many products available to choose best infrared grills, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best infrared grills from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Signature True Infrared 4-Burner Cabinet Liquid Propane Gas Grill. The Char-Broil Signature True Infrared 525 is an excellent choice for a family. It has 525 square inches of primary cooking space, providing you ample space for larger meals. It has all the top features of a Char-Broil True Infrared grill, including porcelain-coated cast iron grates, an electronic ignition system, 200 square inch warming rack, stainless steel shelves, and a lidded side burner. What I like most about this model is the extra space that comes with the enclosed storage cabinet. If you're like me, you appreciate having everything you need to barbecue all together in one spot, and the storage space this unit has helps you achieve that. The one issue I've heard other people say about this unit is that it has a problem with rust forming on the grill grates. I recommend you also purchase a grill cover to protect this unit from the elements and help stop it from rusting. The Signature 4-burner starts up via the push of a button with Char-Broil's Surefire electronic ignition system. And once it is lit, the True Infrared technology heats it up faster, hotter and more evenly than others. With Char-Broil True Infrared, heat is sent directly to food, sealing in juices. Number 2. Camplux Propane Infrared Steak Grill. If you want to bring the taste of a perfectly seared steakhouse steak with you on the go, the Camplux Propane Infrared Steak Grill is the model for you. This 10,000 BTU propane grill is capable of heating up to 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit within 2 minutes, and can cook practically anything in a matter of minutes. It weighs only 26½ pounds and is very compact, making it easy to transport or store easily in a cabinet or storage shelf. It's built with 304 grade stainless steel for long-lasting durability, and looks fantastic. It hooks up to a 20-pound propane tank or standard RV propane connection, but can also be adapted to use a 1-pound propane cylinder for easier portability. The Camplux is a fantastic infrared grill for cooking perfectly seared steaks anywhere, and I highly recommend it for the person who's serious about their steaks. Number 3. Char-Broil 2-Burner Infrared Cabinet Liquid Propane Gas Grill. The Char-Broil Performance 300 is a 2-burner 24,000 BTU stainless steel propane grill that provides 300 square inches of primary cooking space, plus an additional 100 square inch swing-away rack, ideal for warming sides and toasting buns. Those looking for style, durability, and convenience will like the stainless steel design, which features a lid-mounted temperature gauge and fold-down shelving system. Additional features include a push-button ignition, a removable grease pan for easy cleanup, and a compact design that weighs in at only 82.5 pounds. All the hardware below the grill, including the burner tubes and shields, is also stainless steel. I like the Char-Broil chose to use porcelain-coated cast iron grates on this unit. This not only deters rust and prevents food from sticking, but it also makes the grill easier to clean. Because of its size, the Char-Broil Performance 300 heats up quickly, cooks food evenly, and doesn't take up a lot of space. The grill is moderately priced, easy to put together, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver, and compact, making this an ideal unit if you're on a budget, but still want to make a solid investment. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.